Looking for a faster, cleaner way to grill your favorite meals? In today's video, we're diving into the best portable electric air grills that bring convenience and flavor right to your countertop. No smoke, no hassle. Just quick and tasty results whether you're at home, camping, or on the go. Let's find the perfect grill to match your busy lifestyle. All the links to find the best prices on all the products mentioned in this video will be in the description box below. Make sure to subscribe to stay up to date with the latest videos. Okay, let's get started. Number 5. XML-D280 Electric Barbecue Oven. The XML-D280 Portable Electric Barbecue Oven, a compact grilling solution built for convenience and control. Designed for countertop use, this grill delivers reliable heat with a rated power of 1.5 kW. Crafted from durable 410 and 430 stainless iron, it's built to last. The sleek silver finish with chrome processing adds a modern touch, perfect for any kitchen or outdoor setup. With a temperature range of 50 to 300 degrees Celsius, it offers precise heat control for various cooking styles. Whether you're searing meat or grilling vegetables, the results are consistent and flavorful. Its US standard plug makes it easy to use right out of the box. Plus, the grill and baking pan are dishwasher safe, making cleanup effortless. Lightweight yet powerful, the XML-D280 is ideal for those who value flexibility, speed, and simplicity in everyday cooking. Number 4. Family Smokeless Grill. The Family Smokeless Grill offers a modern way to enjoy barbecue, without the smoke or hassle. Built with durable 201 stainless steel, it's resistant to rust, heat, and corrosion, making it perfect for long-term use. Powered by 1800W, it heats up fast using two thickened U-shaped stainless steel tubes. In just 3 to 5 minutes, it delivers even heat across a large surface, saving both time and energy. Its adjustable temperature knob ranges from 122 degrees Fahrenheit to 302 degrees Fahrenheit, giving you control for grilling a variety of ingredients. From searing meat to roasting vegetables, this grill locks in flavor while preserving natural juices. Cleanup is easy with a removable grease catcher and dishwasher-safe parts. Plus, weighing only 8.3 pounds, it's lightweight and travel-friendly. Whether at home or on a picnic, the Family Smokeless Grill brings healthy, low-fat, and flavorful cooking to every gathering. Number 3. Adoolla Indoor Electric Air Grill Fryer. The Adoolla 7-in-1 Smokeless Indoor Electric Air Grill Fryer combo is a versatile and efficient kitchen tool. With 7 cooking functions combined into one, it offers users the freedom to grill, fry, bake, and more, all in a single appliance. Powered by 1750 watts and reaching temperatures up to 450 degrees Fahrenheit, it heats evenly and quickly. The non-stick PTFE cooking surface ensures food doesn't stick, making cooking and cleaning hassle-free. A clear see-through window allows users to monitor cooking progress without losing heat. Plus, the removable plates are dishwasher-safe, adding convenience and ease to cleanup. With adjustable temperature controls and a clear display, the Adoolla combo provides precise cooking control. Its 4-quart capacity is perfect for preparing family meals or entertaining guests with ease. Number 2. TYCUGA Table Grill. The TYCUGA Table Grill is perfect for indoor Korean barbecue and cheese raclette lovers. Its large size of 41.5 by 26 centimeters accommodates plenty of ingredients for cooking all at once. With a powerful 1300W heating system and non-stick surface, this smokeless grill quickly melts cheese and cooks meat, seafood, and vegetables evenly. It includes 8 mini bakeware trays, letting everyone prepare their favorite dishes simultaneously. This versatile grill works for breakfast, lunch, or dinner. Grill pancakes, eggs, steaks, burgers, and more. The adjustable temperature control offers precise cooking, while the indicator light reminds users when it's on or off for safety. Cleanup is easy thanks to the anti-adhesive coating and dishwasher-safe bakeware. The TYCUGA grill combines convenience, efficiency, and fun, making it ideal for family gatherings or parties with friends. Number 1. BioloMix 6-in-1 Electric Grill. The BioloMix 6-in-1 Electric Grill is a versatile addition to any kitchen. With 2,200 watts of power, it heats quickly and evenly for perfect cooking results every time. This modern appliance features 6 automatic cooking presets and a DIY mode, allowing users to easily prepare a variety of meals. Whether grilling, pressing sandwiches, or making waffles, this grill has you covered. Its large open flat grilling surface, coated with non-stick Teflon, prevents food from sticking and ensures easy cleanup. The interchangeable grill, griddle, and waffle plates add to its multifunctionality. Digital controls make operation simple and precise. Adjust temperature and cooking time effortlessly to get the best flavor and texture. Overall, the BioloMix grill combines style, convenience, and versatility, making it perfect for family meals and entertaining guests.
There was